The Riverside County Fire Department put on a demonstration Monday to show the damage that fireworks can do.
I want you to think about the 2 points that we really want to accomplish today, and that's stress what are illegal and safe and sane fireworks and how they're not allowed in the county areas and in most of the cities of Riverside County. The other point that's critical to make is please attend a public fireworks display.
This morning we have 2 demonstrations lined up. The first one is in the mannequin's hand. It's going to represent a small explosive firework commonly found throughout the county this holiday season, and the same type of device that we frequently see injuries and property damage from. The same device also will be placed in the melon on the road next to give an idea and a visual effect of the potential that they hold for destruction.
I just want to say thank you to CAL FIRE and to, you've got a great board of supervisors here in Riverside County for taking a hard stance on the fireworks. It's timely, it's needed, our burn unit is full.
From Riverside, Matt Shainman for Patch.com.